Hi, I'm Sonal Paladini with Sonal Paladini Yoga YouTube channel. This is a 30-minute yoga flow to activate and balance your sacral chakra, Swadhisthana, your second energy center, which is responsible for creativity, feminine energy, reproduction, emotional intelligence. So, this is a part of my 7 chakra yoga series. Whenever you're ready, join me on the yoga mat. Also, I have a yoga retreat coming up in November where every day is going to be divided into each chakra. So, if you want to get deeper into your chakra journey, join me for the yoga retreat. Link is going to be in the description. Hi, welcome to our sacral chakra flow. Let's start in an easy cross-legged position. Your hands can be on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and let it out. Another deep inhale. Find your center and let it out. One last breath through your nose. And with exhale, open your eyes. Let's bring your hands together in Yoni Mudra. So in Yoni Mudra, your fingers are interlaced except your index finger and your thumb. Bring your hands here. If you want, you can close your eyes or let them be open. While your fingers are in Yoni Mudra, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the sacral chakra, which is the second energy center of the body. So this chakra is responsible for sexuality, sexual empowerment, creativity, reproduction, emotional intelligence, emotional balance. So if this energy center is blocked, you might feel that you're not feeling your creative self. You might feel low sex drive, or if it's overactive, you might feel excessively, unnaturally high sex drive, or too much emotional entanglement. So let's try our best to balance it with breath, with intention, with visualization and yoga asana. So your hands are in Yoni Mudra. Now close your eyes. Let's take a deep inhale. Imagine that your breath is coming inside your body through your pelvic floor. Strange imagination, but just try it. Laugh a little if you want to. That keeps a light mood. And breathe out through your pelvic floor. As you breathe in, imagine your breath flowing all over your body like water. And let it out. Deep inhale. Let your breath reach every part of your body through your pelvic floor, everywhere. And let it out. The element associated with sacral chakra is water. So this is why we're flowing today like water. So bring your hands onto the yoga mat. Let your knees be a little bit more open. A tabletop position with a bit of modification. Roll your hips 3 times anti-clockwise. And 3 times clockwise. Breathe. Lean forward like cat. Lean back like cow. Your knees are open today. Lean forward like cat. Lean back like cow. Lean forward. Lean back. Maybe hands come more forward. Lean forward. Maybe this time your hips come onto the yoga mat. Take it easy because you've just started. And lean back. It's normal to not come so deep initially in the yoga practice. Lean forward. Lean back. You don't have to do this as deeply as I'm doing. Just go at your own pace and go with what your body is feeling today. Flow like water. And lean back. Now lean back in child pose with your knees open. Hands are forward. Head comes to the yoga mat. Feel the connection with your pelvic floor, with your hips. with your femininity. Breathe. And let it out. Next breath. Come back onto your hands and knees. Your left leg opens to the left side. Lean back and forth a few times. We're opening up our left side, hip and thighs. Enjoy this. Maybe when you feel open today, you can just lie down like this in an open leg child pose, modified. Stay here. Breathe. Lean forward once more and bring your left knee back. Your right leg opens to the right side. Lean back and forth. Again, you can lean back and forth 3 times or 5 times, however that feels good in your body. And after that, when you're ready, lie back. You don't have to be as deep as this. You can be up here. Stay with what your body is allowing you to do today. And chill. We stay here for 3, 2, 1. Lean forward. Your legs come back. Tuck your toes. Hips come up. Downward facing dog. Bend left knee. Bend right knee. Lean your hips side to side as you bend your knees. Enjoy this. Next breath, lean forward into plank. Pike your hips up, lean back. So like we're doing spinal waves. Lean back like cat position to plank. Lean back to downward dog. You could also bring your knees to the yoga mat if it's too much. Lean forward, plank, lean back, flow like water. Remember, next time, bring your right leg up, bend your knee. Your right heel is up so that you're really opening up your right side hip. Breathe. Bring your right foot next to the right hand. Lean back and forth. Now when you're ready, your left knee comes onto the yoga mat. Lizard lunge. So your hands are right under your shoulders. So we didn't do a hand warm up. You can integrate it now. Turn your fingers so that your fingers are facing your knees. If it's too much, you can just turn your fingers sideways. Do what feels good today. Lean a little bit back and forth. Next breath, hands come in the normal position. Right hand holds the right thigh. Gently push your right thigh to the right side. Breathe. Enjoy this open position. Hands come back onto the yoga mat and back to downward facing dog. Pedal your feet. Left knee comes up, bend your left knee, right heel comes up. Open your left hip over the right. Enjoy this feeling. Lean forward, bring your left foot next to the left hand. Lean back and forth a few times. Enjoy this. And when it feels good, you can bring your right knee to the yoga mat and turn your hands either sideways or your fingers are facing your hips. Your elbows have a slight small bend. So when it feels good, bring your hands in normal position. Your left hand comes onto the left thigh. Open. The whole point of this position is to open. Breathe. Stay here. Next breath, bring your left hand under your shoulder, both legs back, downward facing dog, and gently walk your feet forward. And hold your elbows. Your legs are gently bent. Your stomach comes to your thighs. Your hips are up. Elbows are holding each other. From here, if you feel flexible, you might want to extend your legs, but it is not that necessary. So from here, bring your hands onto the yoga mat, open your legs and come into Malasana. Such a beautiful position to open your hips, to strengthen your legs, and this is one of the basic positions that all human beings should be comfortable in, but with evolution we seem to have forgotten. With chairs, with Western toilets. From here, legs stay exactly like this. Bring your hips up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. We're going to be doing modified Surya Namaskar. So legs stay open. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hips spike back. Forward fold into Malasana. Hips come up, right leg go back. So this is not your traditional Surya Namaskar. We are not doing low lunge or Ashvasanchalasana, but we are doing somewhat like a lizard position. From here, left leg comes back, downward dog, forward, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, hips up. Right leg comes to the right side of the right hand, not between the hands. Inhale, exhale, come into Malasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Legs stay open. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hips lean back. Come into Malasana. Hands to the yoga mat. We are going to bring left leg back into a high lizard position. Stay here. Downward facing dog. Lean forward. Knees, chest, chin. Vinyasa. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Left leg comes on the left side of left hand, modified lizard. Exhale, both the legs forward, Malasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. One more. You can adjust your feet if you didn't land correctly. Enjoy this modified Surya Namaskar. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hips lean back. Come into Malasana. Hands to the yoga mat. Right leg back. High lizard. Left leg back. Downward dog. Knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg goes outside right hand, high lizard. Left leg comes forward, Malasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. I know your hips are probably killing you, or maybe you're enjoying this. Last one. Inhale, arms up. Forward fold into Malasana. Both your hands come to the yoga mat. Left leg comes back, high lizard. Right leg comes back, downward dog. Knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg to the left side. Right leg to the right side. Malasana. Stay here. Enjoy this. And lean your butt back and gently rise up with hands up. Namaste position. Stay here. Close your eyes. Take a moment to breathe, to notice the shift of energy here. Find your center. Once again, find your pelvic floor. Breathe. So we're going to be doing one affirmation right now. You can repeat after me. I am sexually empowered. I am sexually empowered. Arms up. Inhale. Hips lean back. Malasana. Second affirmation. I am creative. I am creative. Hands come back to the yoga mat. Right leg comes back, right knee comes onto the yoga mat. So, lizard, maybe we do a little bit twist. First, your left hand comes to the left thigh. You stay here. Notice how your right knee is feeling. If today your right knee is feeling extra safe, then you can bend your right leg, hold your foot. Notice that my hips are leaning forward. When they lean back, you're really pressing your right knee, which doesn't feel so good. So stay in a position that feels good. We stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hands to the yoga mat, butt leans back. Now this is not a normal half split, this is somewhat of a wide leg half split. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg bends, right knee comes up. Now we will do a pigeon leg variation. So left knee comes forward between your hands, right leg goes back. First, bring your chest up, really press your fingertips onto the yoga mat. You can tuck your right foot and really elongate your right leg. And just be mindful that your right back of the right thigh is facing up, not sideways. Stay here, and then when you're ready, bring your head to the yoga mat or your arms. Enjoy this position. Let's do the third affirmation for today. Take a deep breath. You can repeat these words and make these your own. I am emotionally balanced. I am emotionally balanced. So, hands come to the yoga mat, come up a little bit. So, tuck your right toes. Your left leg comes back. Stay here. Inhale, exhale. You can jump to a Malasana position or you can walk to Malasana, however that feels good. Malasana, hands come together. So it's like somewhat like a frog jump. Stay here. Hands to the yoga mat, hips come up, both feet come together. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Bring your hands to your waist. Now, bring your right knee up. Right knee with your right hand, bring your right knee to the right side. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right knee comes to the middle. Bring your right foot to your left thigh. Lean your butt back and sit down here. It's like figure 4 chair position. So your legs are in figure 4 and you're sitting back in chair position. Your elbows are coming to your legs if you really want to deepen the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up and bring your feet together. Now bring them apart and come back into Malasana. From Malasana, hands come to the yoga mat. This time left leg comes back. High lizard position. And left knee comes to the yoga mat. From here, let's do the same twist. Right hand holds the right thigh. Look back. The back of your left thigh is facing up. And really, you can open your right knee to the right side to open your hips. And when your left knee is feeling safe, bend your knee, hold your foot. Again, I want to reiterate that your hips are not here. The reason I suggest your hips to be forward is so that you're getting a nice hip flexor stretch, but also you're not pushing your knee onto the floor. That could hurt. Enjoy this twist. Next breath, bring your hands to the yoga mat. Lean back into wide leg half split. Breathe. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg bends, both your hands come under your shoulders. Left knee comes up, high lizard position. Press your hands, bring both your feet forward and stay here. Inhale here and exhale. Inhale, exhale, press your heels, arms come up. Inhale, exhale, namaste. Together. Your legs come together. Your right foot stays on the yoga mat. Left knee comes up. Bring your left knee to the left side. Open your hips. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lean your butt back. Right foot on your right thigh. Left foot on your right thigh. Figure 4 chair position. Stay here. So I just realized we forgot to do a pigeon position on this leg. No problem. Now is the time to do it. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your butt up, open your legs, hands come onto the yoga mat, left leg comes back, and this time bring your right knee between your hands and let your left leg be back. Press your fingertips onto the yoga mat, roll your shoulders back, really bring your left leg long. Breathe. So when you're ready, lean forward, bring your elbows onto the yoga mat and let your head relax. So, affirmations, once again. We are repeating the affirmations so that these words really stay in your mind. I am sexually empowered. I am sexually empowered. I am creative. I am creative. Press your hands to the yoga mat. Left knee comes up. Right leg comes back. And from here, we're going to jump to Malasana once more. And come here. Third affirmation. Close your eyes. Remind yourself, I am emotionally balanced. I am emotionally balanced. Hands come to the yoga mat. Your butt comes up. Your feet come together. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Inhale, arms up. Lean your butt back. Your right foot stays on the yoga mat. Bring your left foot on top of your right. So once again, we are doing figure 4 chair position. Stay here. Or if you want to take it up a notch, if you like to play around with arm balances, you can bring your hands to the yoga mat. Stay here, or maybe lean forward enough so that your elbows have a small bend and your left foot is hooked with your right elbow. Lean back, maybe bring your right leg up. Flying pigeon position. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg comes back, left leg comes back. Downward dog. So that was our peak position. You don't have to do this if your body is not ready. You could just do a normal pigeon position. Forward into Malasana. So from here, lean your butt up, bring your feet together, arms up, namaste. So from here, left foot stays on the yoga mat. Right knee comes up, pike your butt back. Bring your right foot on your left thigh. Stay here, or bring your hands onto the yoga mat. Your hands are flat, your hands are gripping the yoga mat. Your right foot hooks with your elbow. Stay here. If you don't want to lift your leg up in pigeon, I can show another variation. Lean your chest so that it feels that your right leg, your right calf is holding your chest. Forward. Inhale. Bend your left knee, or maybe bring it straight up. 3, 2, 1. Left leg comes back, right leg comes back. Stay here. Bring your knees to the yoga mat. Hips lean back. Open your knees and chill. Enjoy this rest. Breathe. Whenever you're ready, sit up in a cross-leg position. We're going to be chanting the mantra, Bij mantra, associated with Swadhisthana, your sacral chakra. You can bring your hands once again in Yoni Mudra. Your fingers are interlaced. Your index fingertip and thumb are touching each other. The index fingertips are facing down. If you notice Yoni Mudra, it resembles the female reproductive organ. So to balance your sacral chakra, it's not just about stretching the muscles. It's also strengthening yourself there. It's also strengthening your pelvic floor. It's also chanting the mantra. It's also visualizing. It's also the intention. the breath flowing like water. So, let your hands rest in Yoni Mudra. Close your eyes. The mantra for sacral chakra is VAM. V as in Victor or V as in van. VAM. And imagine that the sound is coming from your pelvic floor. Close your eyes. Let's chant VAM 3 times. Inhale. VAM. Inhale. VAM. Inhale. VAM. Feel the subtle shift in your energy. Imagine a brown circle, a brown chakra in your pelvic floor area, expanding, spreading the good vibrations everywhere. You're balancing it. The last affirmation for today, repeat after me. My sacral chakra is balanced. My sacral chakra is balanced. So, whenever you're ready, lie down on your back. As you lie down, you can bring your legs up into happy baby. Hold your feet, lean side to side. And I'd like to mention that I'm organizing a yoga retreat in Goa for 7 days. And each chakra is targeted per day. We're going to be opening chakra with movement, rituals, mantra, intention, so many other things, breath work. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. I would love it if you could join. Thank you. And whenever you're ready, come into Shavasana. Close your eyes, open your palms, and if you're ready, you can pause the video and do a longer Shavasana. Thank you for sharing your yoga practice with me.